Hey guys, I'm gonna be opening some candy and some toys. I hope you watch until the end. First, we're gonna be opening Hershey's Cookie and Cream. Now we're gonna be opening the Paw Patrol Kinder Egg. Lastly, we're gonna open the Lost Kitties blind box. Now let's open the Hershey's Cookies and Cream. Okay. This tastes very good. They come in rectangle boxes and they have the Hershey symbol. Okay, now I'm going to be opening the Paw Patrol Kinder Egg. There's some chocolate I can save for later. Let's see what we have got. And there's in the instructions. These are all the toys you could get. These are the pieces what I got. Let's build it. Now, what you all been waiting for, the Lost Kitty Quick surprise opening blind box. Now let's open it. Now take out the car. The first thing you get is the paper of all the kittens. This is what's on the paper. Okay, so now let's open it. It's a blue ice cream. Under here. I got two ice creams, a yellow one and a blue one. And also you get a flip book. First I'll show you guys the flip book. Now let's see what's in these scoops. You could see something that is behind the Play-Doh. Now let's see. Going bad. And now let's see what's inside. Okay, now let's see where he is. He throws things and shells things. Don't get them confused with Sir Spoon and Mr. Sammy. Now let's open it. Oh! These are the same people from this flip book. So these are all of the toys we got in this video. I got the orange kitty, I got the red kitty, I got some accessories for these kittens. I got the Chase. I have a blue ice cream, I have a yellow ice cream, we have some chocolate. Bye guys for today's video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more video, and bye.